Okay, we're getting ready to pull into DRAGONMAN'S in Colorado Springs. Wait to get a load of these signs. This guy means business. This is Christmas Day. Bumpy road. Alright, DRAGONMAN'S got a lot of warnings here. Robbers welcome. They need to target practice.
Funny. It says read every sign. It can save your life.
Look, he don't like people with the rap music. Me neither.
I think that's cool how he does this. Closed Mondays.
There's people here, but not a lot. That's good.
Don't be crowded then, huh, Charlie?
Yeah, it's not. Nobody there.
We're here to try out our new DRAGONMAN AR-15 that we built this morning.